Well, we made it to Laguna Beach, and some generous person left an hour and 33 minutes on the meter, so we're good to go. We walked around the beach a little bit, as you could see, and now it's lunchtime. Aunt Juna made us some nice subs, so what do we have in our subs?
We have ham, turkey, and salami with basil, mustard, Swiss cheese. It's gonna be good.
So basically it's deluxe, and it's by the beach, so how can you beat it? I think these guys are trying to take our sandwiches. They're gathering. There are more. They keep coming.
Oh boy.
What are you looking at? No, you can't have any. No, you can't have any. They're following me and my food. Go away! We're the bird ladies of Laguna Beach.
Alright, photobomb you, or you're getting her.
No, I got her. We can get you too. I think you're in it.
That was good.
When I was 5, I felt alive on the day I went to sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, go this way and that way and forwards and backwards over the blue sea. Hey! What rhymes with 6? When I was 6, I picked up sticks on the day I went to sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, go this way and that way and forwards and backwards over the deep blue sea. Hey! How to get the wild down the bed, blessings to you.
Look at all these birds chilling in the tree. Oh. Somebody built this nifty pyramid. We have this frisbee trick guy. Look at him go. Sadly, we had to leave the beach now. There's so much more to explore, but we had a pretty eventful time, and I'll be back. Let me tell you, I am exhausted. Whew, we've been doing so much. It's been a great time. It's been fabulous, but I'm a little bit tired. I got some sun today. You can kind of tell. Boom, boom. But yeah, so it's time to kind of wind down a little bit. Aunt Jean and I are gonna do some test grilled cheeses for the shower, baby shower this weekend, and let's see. I think we have to wrap a few gifts or something, and I have some more vlog editing to do, so after that, it's gonna be bedtime. Bye.